Hi guys, now today we will see capacitance of a spherical capacitor. So, capacitance of a spherical capacitor. Capacitor having always two surface, but both that would be spherical. So you can see here there is two spherical surface. So outer spherical surface it is called cell and this one is spherical body. Now the outer surface of the cell be earth, and suppose plus q charge be given to the outer surface of the internal sphere. So ultimately due to induction, the internal surface of the outer cell be minus q by induction. Suppose A be the radius of this sphere, where B be the radius of the cell. So here you can write down that if the outer surface of this cell be earth, and then we have to find the capacitance of this spherical capacitor. So just use the concept of generator. So from the concept of generator, we know that V is equal to higher potential minus negative potential. So accordingly, we know that the potential difference between this separation. Why the potential difference we have to take between this separation? Because electric field lines lies between this separation only. That's why. Therefore, this one is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q with the charge, and there is 1 by a minus 1 by b. You can understand this one like, then after doing calculation you will get the potential difference between the free space, that would be q by 4 pi epsilon naught, and after doing calculation you will get b minus a divided by ab. So you just suppose equation 1. Now finally you have to find the capacitance. So you know the capacitance C, that is q by v. So put the value of v from equation 1. Therefore q by, now v is q by 4 pi epsilon naught b minus a divided by ab. From here q and q will be cancelled. So finally your capacitance, that will be, see, denominator of denominator will come on numerator, and again denominator of denominator will come on numerator. That's why 4 pi epsilon naught ab divided by B minus A. So this one is your resultant. This is your second equation. Now here I want to find capacitance when the internal sphere be earth instead of outer. So for this there is a simple change that I want to do. I want to make a thickness of this outer cell. So suppose this outer cell having some thickness, then accordingly some changes be there in that the internal surface of this cell be radius B will be same, this one having radius A, and now the outer surface of the cell, suppose its radius be C, and just you have to earth the outer surface of the internal sphere like that. So there will be some changes be there, and now here I want to give a charge Q, a positive charge Q on the outer cell, and by any means, because this one being earth, so there is a minus charge Q. Suppose this one is Q1 be there, so due to induction there will be plus Q1 on the internal surface of this cell be there. So you just write down there that if the internal sphere be earth and a charge Q be given to the outer surface of the shell and outer surface of the internal sphere has appeared a charge minus Q. You just keep this resultant in your mind. Then because there is a outer surface of internal sphere which is earth, that's why you just find out potential on this surface. You just name it that this one is A, this one is B, and this one is B. So I am just going to be write directly the electric potential on surface A. So this one is V is equal to, it is very simple, we have discussed it in last chapter electrostat, how we can find out. This one is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus q be there divided by radius be r. So a, radius is a, so there is a plus, now charge on the internal surface of the cell b plus q1, so q1 by, and its radius be b, so there will be b plus, now the charge on the outer surface, so because we have given on the outer surface the charge, that is plus q charge we have given from outside, so you have to find how much be the resultant charge on this outer surface of the cell. So your resultant charge, that would be plus q plus negative of minus q1, and there is algebraic sum. So the net charge on this outer surface. So you just write down that net charge on the outer cell, that O will be Q algebraic sum. So algebraic sum is this one, because plus Q1, so alternative minus Q1 will be there. So the algebraic sum, that will be Q minus Q1. So this one be the resultant charge over the outer cell. So there will be Q minus Q1 and its radius be C. So there will be C. And because you are going to find potential at the outer surface of this cell, of this sphere, and this is being earth, so the potential due to earth, so potential at this surface be 0. So there will be 0. Now after dividing 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught here, you will get, you just find out q1 from here. So q1 and one q1 be from there. So there is here is also q1. So from here q1 is equal to minus 1 by a. So there is minus 1 by a. Now from here 1 by b. So there is plus 1 by b. From here you have to take just q1 outside, so you will get minus 1 by c from here, so plus minus 1 by c from there, and then plus q by c, so there is q by c is equal to 0. You have to find this q1. So first of all you calculate this one algebraically. So you just calculate this one, you just take it ABC, that will be ABC, and now here you will get this one, ABC will be cancelled, so you will get BC divided by minus 1, so there will be minus BC plus AC accordingly, minus AB accordingly, plus Q by C is equal to 0. Q1 is equal to, now this will be on right side, that becomes minus Q by C, and because this one is in multiple of Q1, so after being going on right side, that will be divided by this one, so divided by ABC divided by minus BC plus AC minus AB. So from here you are seeing that C and C will be cancelled, and then your resultant Q1 will be, now you can just multiply by this minus, from here, otherwise you can just take minus outside just as a common. So minus and minus will be cancelled. Then you finally you will get that q ab divided by, now this becomes bc minus ac and plus ab after being multiplication with this negative sign. Otherwise, after being there is a common outside from this equation. So you will, so for this concept you just consider this one is equation 1. And then the potential between the free space using the concept of generator. So from there you know that the V is equal to V plus minus V negative, and after V you know that using the concept of generator, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 with the charge between either of the face, internal face and the radius, internal radius of this sphere and the internal surface of this cell. So there is a difference. So 1 by A minus 1 by B. This one is just a concept that is taken from generator, concept of generator. So accordingly, your V is equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Just solve this equation. So after being solving, you will get B minus A divided by AB, and then put the value of Q1 from equation 1. So you just supposed to be equation 2. Just write down from equation first and second. Then you will get UV, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Put the value of Q1 from this equation. So this one is Q AB divided by BC minus AC plus AB, and then this one is B minus A by AB. So from here AB and AB will be cancelled, and finally you have Q by 4 pi epsilon naught BC minus AC plus AB, and you just suppose B minus A be there, and you just suppose equation 3 be there, and then the capacitance. So you know that capacitance, that is Q by V. You have given charge Q. See here, you can see that you have given a charge, positive charge Q on the system. So there is Q by V, and now from equation 3rd just put the value of V, and then you will get the result. So there is Q by, put the value of V from this equation. This one is Q B minus A, and then divided by this one. So denominator of denominator will come in numerator. Right now we are going to write directly. So 4 pi epsilon naught BC minus AC, BC minus AC plus AB, AB. See, Q and Q will be cancelled, and your resultant capacitance, that will be C is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught BC minus AC plus AB and divided by B minus A. So from this resultant, here you are seeing from previous